Tita Tess, happy birthday! Nako, praying for more birthdays to come. Alaman mo, hindi sana ako makakapunta. Nasa Batangas ako eh. Pero syempre, BFF, alam ka namang wala. Surprise! Happy birthday, Tess!
She's a good mix of disciplinarian and a very caring mother. So, pagka may kailangan kami sa school or anything, pag kailangan namin ng kausap, gano'n, nandyan si Mami, always willing to listen.
Hindi ko na-expect nga ng ganito. Hindi ko yung guys, office dito. Dito kayong lahat. Thank you sa
Happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come. At thank you sa lahat ng mga pagtulong na ginagawa mo sa akin.
Happy birthday! Yes, 70 na tayo, pero happy pa rin. Kasi blessed na blessed tayo sa ating mga families, magagandang mga anak. Wishing you good health, happiness, and long life. At sana magsama pa tayo ng matagal. Happy birthday!
Yun, so happy birthday, Tess. And sana tuloy pa rin yung ating samahan. Tuloy-tuloy ito hanggang dulo pa to.
It's like running through an open door.
Again, my congratulations for reaching your age of 70. And that is a milestone.
Every memory made, all the dreaming led us here today.
I'm hoping na and I'm praying na marami pa. But kahit na 70 ka, ito lang ang sasabi ko sa'yo. You look younger than
We
you.
got a beautiful story, and we've only
More to come. Hanggang 100 years. Yun.
So Tess, all the best. Happy birthday.
At salamat po, Ninang, sa inyong panalangin sa aking paglalakbay sa pagpapari. Alam ko naman po na bagamat malayo po kayo sa aming tahanan, pero nagiging malapit po tayo sa panalangin natin para sa isa't isa.
we got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story.
Happy birthday! Alam ko ayaw mo ng surprises, kaso gusto ng mga ate ko kaya wala akong nagawa.
I want to thank you, Mami, for your guidance, love, yung support mo sa amin kasi hindi kami magiging successful magkakapatid kung wala yung guidance ng Nina.
I'd like to thank everybody who make this day very important to me, significant. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo, sa oras nyo, at pag-wish nyo sa akin. Sana bigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, lahat tayo, at good health. Thank you again.
Beautiful story. Every moment on and on.
Dati lagi mo sinasabi proud ka sa amin, pero ang totoo, kami ang proud sa'yo tsaka kay Daddy. Happy birthday!
Just begun. The best is yet to come.
I would say that Ben, as fondly called by our family, is truly a blessed woman.
The best is yet to come.